Good evening. Today is March 1st and I still have one more client. One more client, and what time is it? It's already it's 6:40. So I don't know if he's not coming at 7 o'clock, then we're going home. Well, everybody knows that I'm already blogging. And everybody's so excited, so they include me. They subscribe, they did like my videos, whether they like it or not. So anyway, they're suggesting for me to do some, what to do. Okay, I've been doing this job for how many years now? Almost 25 years. So normally, some people would ask me what to bring. I don't know what things that you need to bring. Are you an employee? Bring your W-2. If you have a business, bring your 1099. But in those who has business, if they have a 1099, they have to bring their expenses. And so I have one client that for how many years he's been so thorough. He always makes sure that he has his business income and then his expenses, and so with his mileage. So I have no problem. But there's some people who doesn't even know. They know how to do business, they know how to make money, but they don't know what to bring to me. So, my patience is this long, so long. But sometimes it's not. I'm sorry, I'm just a human being, and sometimes I get irritated easily. So, I don't know, I just keep on praying what to do. So, well, I'm just so excited. I'm gonna give some tips once in a while, because I cannot talk about taxes, okay? But I just want to give you some tips. When you go to your tax preparer, make sure that you are ready. You have your W-2s, you got your mortgage interest. But sometimes, okay, there's a problem with mortgage interest. Some people are not paying attention that sometimes these mortgage people, they sell their mortgage, okay? So what they have to do is they have to go check what was the last one. And I can easily see it, because if I have a copy, and then, like, say for example, from last year you have 20,000 and then you give me 10,000, where's the other 10,000, right? And I will ask them, how much did they pay? So I compute how much did they pay. So say for example they pay like more than 40,000 and you're giving me a 10,000, that means there's still more. And that's my attitude. A lot of my clients knows about it. I will stop. I'm not gonna do their taxes because I need more documents. So if you have a mortgage interest, make sure that the mortgage interest that you have is correct. And if sometimes you have to refer from your former tax return, yeah, be responsible, please. And I know sometimes I do that for you, but please, just a practice. And also today I have a client. She was crying, and I was so shocked because the husband died January 31st. And every year I always see them together holding hands, and they're my neighbor too. She works here at the back, at Kuya Rudy's office. And then the husband will pick her up. Sometimes they're in a motorcycle, the motor. Anyway, her husband is almost in the 70s, but he still ride the motorcycle. So anyway, she was crying. Well, actually, when I saw her, she's sitting, I was asking my staff, she had appointment, and then they said she just wanna talk to you. I said okay, so I have to eat first, and then after I eat, I talked to her, and she began to cry, and she said that her husband died last January 31st. Oh my gosh, it's like I don't know what's going on. Everybody died because there's someone also who I love to tease, who I love to talk, and whom I love to laugh with, also died last November. Actually, the husband has not come in yet. The sister has not come in yet, but the nephews, they gave me the news too that she already died. You know what breaks my heart? You know, I have a lot of clients who are very close to me, especially if they start, you know, I don't see them anymore. I'm gonna miss the laughter. With Ken, she's a tall guy. She's a tall white guy. I love seeing him with Eunice. Every time I see them in the parking lot. They always hold hands. Eunice is just like a princess. He treated his wife like a princess. I never thought. And Eunice told me that he suddenly died. And maybe it's a heart attack or what. It's only now that I can. I try to be so strong. There's so many clients of mine who's very close to me. I remember there's one that his name is Sidney. He's an old guy, but he always gave me a good laugh. And suddenly the wife said to me that he already died. Oh, you know, I'm so attached to my client. I'm so attached to them. Especially if they're so close to me. And I just love to kid. I love to make jokes. So anyway, tonight I'm still waiting. It's already 7 o'clock. I can see in there it's 7 o'clock. 10 minutes to 7. I still have a client 7 to 7:30, and anyway, good night, folks. And today's Saturday, and so much work for me to do. I don't wanna, you know, sometimes I sleep here if I have so much work. Anyway, good night, and I hope you guys stay healthy, stay safe. Always drink your medicine. Always be happy. Kasi if you are always lonely, there you're gonna get sick. So me, I wanna laugh and I wanna laugh. Even I miss all my friends. Anyway, okay. Good night, folks. Hello! Good afternoon! Andito ako sa kusina. At andito yung pinsan ko, si Manang Nena. At look! Dinalhan niya kami ng pagkain. Oh my gosh! Tingnan niyo ang pagkain niya. Teka, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay, tingnan niyo. Ano ito? Teriyaki. Oh my gosh. At tapos ito yung short ribs.
Bulgogi.
Oh my gosh, ano yung bulgogi ba yan? Hindi, tsaka ito may chicken. Oh. Karagi.
Karagi.
Ito yung
shrimp na ano?
Katsu.
Chicken katsu. Oh my gosh. Meron palang ganyan. O, tingnan mo.
Pa mas malaki.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Sa susunod yung mas malaki.
Alam nyo, ganito lang talaga ang aking ano. Ay! Naku, sandali. Okay. So, dapat ganito kasi YouTube ako eh. Yun ang turo sa akin. So, ito ay kakainin ko ngayon. Ang dami namin po pakain. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko mamaya. Kakainin ko lahat ang mga ito. Sobra blessing. Ito mag-asawa na ito ay mga paborito ko. Alam nyo, matagal na sila sa akin.
Kaya original.
Oo. So, tagal na sila sa akin. Kaya lang ito yung mga to, pag pumupunta sa akin, April. April. Ngayon, dahil malaki na, marunong na sila magbayad ng tax. Maaga-aga na sila nagpapagawa ng tax sa akin. Alam mo, pag nakita ko pangalan, ay, saya na naman ako. Andito na naman dalawang to. Pero baka marinig ni Stanley. Huwag lang manood si Stanley sa akin. Ay, nako. Ito ang mga Ilocano Brigade. Alam mo naman ang ano namin, oh.